Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about why you cannot use AIRPLAY in your LG Smart TV. Now pay attention. You need update your iPad or your iPhone and your TV. When you are finished and you can see that your TV or other tests are updated, the most popular mistake that you can make is not connect the same Wi-Fi. Okay, if you want to use your AirPlay in your TV screen share, you need connect your iPad and your TV in the same Wi-Fi. Okay, with this you can use AirPlay in your TV, and this is all. This is the most popular mistake that people can do. Okay, you need same Wi-Fi, and this is all. Okay, and sorry for my bad English. If you want if you want know more about this or have a different problem, you can write in the comments, and maybe if I can, I say you the answer. Have a good day. Sorry for my bad English. See you later.